Hello and welcome to our live reaction for I'm not going to even attempt to say the name of this anime. But the short version is Jihanki, or as I call it, that vending machine anime. So yeah, we decided to pick this up. Okay, no, I decided to pick this up because this seems silly. So why not? I don't know if we're
Yeah.
I don't know if we're going to watch this until the end, but probably if it's funny enough, then sure. But I don't know. I guess we'll see. So yeah, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
I don't think you introduced us, but okay.
Oh yeah, I'm X Creek. That's Azelfan and Keddy. Sure.
Hello.
Are you still
it's a guy.
human or? Oh no, it's is he still you? Oh. Well, it's an isekai series, right? So someone has to. Oh my!
Oh,
Really?
I
wow.
feel like the Japanese like light novel publisher have a
Oh.
checklist
Yeah.
of what the isekai going to be reincarnated with.
Yeah. I mean, you're
Like, okay,
you're
we got vending machine. Okay, check.
Yeah,
God
last
damn it.
season we get reincarnated as a sword, right? And this time we get a spending machine. Maybe someday as an onsen.
Isn't that already a thing?
Yeah, I mean the anime.
Yeah, I
Oh.
kind of recall. Yeah, that's a thing.
I have a question. How does this work? Do you not need electricity?
Oh my god.
How?
So is it just vending machine with consciousness?
I think
It
so.
is. I'm not even
Also,
attempting to like rationalize anything.
I mean, it's an isekai, right? That's the only rationale you need. Like it's an
Yeah.
isekai series. It just happened. Also, how
How is he even
ironic
going to
how
conquest the
ironic
dungeon?
that he is like a fan of vending machines and he got killed by a vending machine.
What?
See? Oh, how do you even know your prices?
Comparing to his previous world times.
No, I mean,
Why-
how does he even see about the prices?
Why do you even obsessed with a vending machine anyway in the first place?
I
What?
don't. Or I mean, there are people who are obsessed with like trains or ships. So
Yes, but
obsessed with
machine,
vending machine. I
don't know.
mean, it's possible. It's possible.
Maybe I don't know.
Wait, what now?
So how do you move? And this
Yeah,
is
how
not.
are you going to conquest the dungeon?
Yeah, you're not even in
And
the
the
dungeon.
title? How?
Yeah. I mean, the title translates to what? Reborn as a vending
Reincarnated
machine. I now
machine.
wander the dungeon. You're not
Yeah, how
wandering
you gonna even do
anywhere.
that?
Maybe
Well,
maybe
if
he
he
can
met
move.
someone.
No, maybe he can move like the huge cupboard in Beauty and the Beast, right?
Oh, maybe
Yeah.
he's a transformer.
Or that. $130 for mineral
Wait,
water?
you're shopping with yourself.
Wait, what? How much is 130 yens in rupiah?
I think multiply by 120.
13,800? That's robbery. I'm not paying 14,000 rupiah for mineral water.
Yeah. It's like 5 times regular. No, 4 times regular price.
You could even
like
say
$30.
5 times.
Like, god damn it.
It's like $1, right? 130 yen is like
Usually.
around
You
$1.
cancel Oden. Wow.
Yeah. Canned Oden, the warm
Okay.
one. Yeah, look, that's a. Oh, okay. He
Yeah.
can
Oh.
change that.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
good.
Holy crap. Transmutation. Oh, holy crap. 100 yen. Now that's cheap.
What?
What?
Ah, okay. He does not need electricity. Wait, so if no one buys anything, you will just disappear then?
Yeah, it'll just
Oh yeah,
just
he
become-
has to sell stuff. That's kind of nightmarish, isn't it? Because if no one buys, then you just die
and you're
again.
in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. Yeah. And more importantly, does people in this world even know what a vending machine is?
Probably not.
And are you compatible with the currency that they use in this world?
I think. Oh no! It's a
Um,
frogman.
do they even use vending machines?
Stranger, buy something. What do you sell it?
Nope, I don't think the frog uses vending machines.
Oh no.
You're just gonna get beaten up. Well,
Oh no, this is highway robbery.
uh-oh.
Holy crap! You're gonna die.
Uh-huh. And then what? How can he even do anything?
Yeah.
This is a very
Oh no!
this is a very
you have a
cruel
stat.
isekai.
Yeah. What?
I mean, he can't
Rip.
even do it. I mean, maybe you can shoot out like your drinks.
Oh, you have.
Oh.
Uh, oh, okay. But can you attack though? I mean, that's just heal.
Yeah. I mean, you can throw
Oh
like
no,
the
it's
oh
summoning.
my god, even more.
Oh.
How about
Good
you
luck.
throw one of your Odin cans?
Yeah.
That'll hurt people, right?
No.
Oh well, yeah, well he's dead. Well, see you in another isekai, I guess.
Well, I thought it will last for 3 episodes, but now.
It
Probably
only
not.
lasts for like 6 minutes.
Okay.
I mean, your choice is either get beaten to death or use something.
Relocating! Oh, relocation! Wow, okay.
Oh, there you go. You can use relocate.
Ah.
You can
Oh,
gain limbs?
Barrier.
Okay.
barrier does not work though. Like, okay, you use barrier, and then what? You're just going to stay there.
But that's the one he's choosing.
Why? Should have just
Well, it's for
relocate.
protection, so.
I mean, yes, but that only prolongs the problem. It doesn't solve the problem. If the frog keeps attacking, it'll break through the barrier soon enough.
Oh no!
Oh wait, and you have to. Oh yep, there you go. See, only delaying the inevitable.
Time to heal, I guess. Use heal.
No, time to relocate.
He already used the blessing.
Oh, the frog just got bored.
I mean, yeah, they are doing nothing basically.
Oh, okay. You're just wasting points.
Oh
Wow.
no! It's less than 2 days now. I mean, 3 days. Wait, what?
10 days apparently.
Okay.
Maybe. Do you want to find out? Actually, it would be funny if at the end of the series he finds out that, oh yeah, if you run out of points, you just reborn as a human again. Like, oh, what? Why?
Oh. Why
Several
even
days later.
bother?
Yeah, why even bother? Should have just let the frog beat me up. Huh? Hello?
It's a blacksmith from
Yeah,
Ragnarok.
that's true. Yeah, I was about to say that.
Right.
You look like a Ragnarok blacksmith. Ragnarok Online blacksmith. Aha!
Ah, buy
I
Odin.
sell Odin.
You have money, right?
Yeah.
Well, I hope you don't drop your coin back.
Yeah.
Of course you're not a hunter, you're a blacksmith.
Yeah. Okay, so this world does not know what a vending machine is.
It's more
Yeah,
Blackwater than Ragnarok.
Wait, that's funny. Was it even in Ragnarok?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I
Hey,
don't think
is
so.
it? Do they exist? I don't think so.
I mean, they re-release it, but I think only nostalgic people play it.
Hmm.
Really?
Oh, okay. She's not dropping her
You
coin
don't
first.
have money?
Let's insert it slowly to his hole.
No. Maybe silver?
Hey.
Oh.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Is it?
Yeah. It's too expensive.
1 silver for mineral water. Holy crap.
1 silver for mineral
What?
water. Like that's
Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not mineral water. Let's see
yeah,
what it
it's
is.
some other drinks. But still though. Oh yeah, yeah, buy it Odin. Did you
Restore
buy the
your
Odin?
HP now.
It's coming out.
I mean, yeah, from people in a fantasy world, you would think that this is a mimic, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a corn soup.
Okay, how do you open it? Oh wow.
Oh,
Okay.
okay,
I
she
mean,
knows.
fantasy world have bottles. It's not that far fetched, right?
Yeah, but the corkscrew lid.
That's true.
Maybe
But I
not.
mean, the idea is still the same on how to open it.
Yes.
Kinda close enough.
Yay.
Okay, wait. He can't even talk directly to other people.
He
How are
can't.
you even gonna venture the dungeon?
I mean, he can relocate, right?
Yes. So it's just gonna be a that one vending machine in the dungeon. I guess.
Yeah.
Wait, what about your money?
Okay. Well, I
Damn, that's
mean,
a
Good
lot of
money.
money, girl.
yeah.
Okay, how much point do you have?
Okay, that's 60. I
60. Oh,
mean,
okay, so like
it's all
1%.
right.
Okay.
Oh, so he
1% of
still
the
he
yen
still
get
need to
converted.
use the shield at night.
I think it's permanent, isn't it? It's a blessing after all. Oh, so green.
Oh, very environmentally friendly.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, he can speak. Okay.
Oh.
Can he?
Just now.
Oh. He can't
No,
talk?
no.
I guess he only has few lines he can use to
Oh, yeah.
communicate.
He did have like some
Yeah, but that's not him. It's like
uh,
automated
automatic,
stuff.
yeah.
Yeah, as a vending machine. Maybe he can actually speak later on. Because
Maybe he will acquire more skill
There we go.
points to talk.
no, that's
See?
just still the automated shit,
Ah.
right?
Okay.
I mean, because if he can only say automated stuff for the whole series, that would be kind of depressing.
Yeah.
Promise.
Mhm.
He can use the automated one.
Ah, as a way to communicate
Yeah.
somehow.
It becomes like a yes no using that.
yeah,
Yeah, he's
basically.
using that just now. Hey, how strong are you?
Huh? Yeah, how strong are you?
What? What?
Um,
Oh.
Oh, she's strong.
what?
Holy crap!
Oh, she's pretty strong.
Wow.
500
A
kilograms. Holy crap!
little heavy.
How are you not a good hunter? You can lift 500 kilograms.
Oh, that's what the blacksmith do, I guess.
I, I don't think she's a blacksmith. Ah, there you go. Okay, she has like some kind of blessing.
Okay.
Big yellow soup. Mm.
Do you have anything else, Oden?
But it's hot.
Oh, you can sell
Chip, chip.
those?
Chip Club.
Oh,
Oh,
wait, hang on a minute.
food.
Corn soup isn't especially filling, but you gave her potato chips? I mean,
Potato.
I guess it's a bit more filling, but it's
Do you have like cup noodles or
I
something?
think so.
it's pretty much the same, isn't it? Um.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. She's using all the calorie to lift him up.
You recovered
I
320 points, but she's not recovering any of her money.
It's okay. She's recovering her stamina.
I mean, sooner or later she'll run out of money.
Yeah, hopefully later.
Yeah, hopefully later than sooner.
Yeah, it's later. Whoa.
Look, I have a loot. This thing sells stuff.
Man, these two have cool name.
You think this spread stuff?
After your group
What?
come back, what? How do they come back if they're dead?
Maybe they come back as a ghost. Maybe?
Maybe.
Hey, finders keepers.
Mm. Wait, what?
Is it like an underground city?
Yeah, I guess this classified as magic
Oh
items.
no, don't sell him.
I mean, you've been wasting a lot of money to buy some drinks and food. Might as well get some of your money back by selling the vending machine. You know what? At least the vending machine is nice enough not to give them something like cola and make them like addicted to cola.
It's
Oh.
Japanese vending machine.
Yeah. I guess it just makes them addicted to potato chips and corn soup.
Ah,
Sweet addiction. Okay, what do you call this guy? The vending machine guy?
I have no idea.
What even is his name?
Yeah, I don't even know what his name is. Well, he is his vending machine. Not even a
Yeah.
guy, just vending machine. Don't put him there.
But that's where vending machine usually are.
Do you have to
Oh,
bring
oh,
him
oh.
along? Oh.
Oh, yeah, I want to mess up with this girl. She carries 500 kilo like it's
Yeah,
nothing.
look, if you're in some kind of alley and you see a girl lifting up a vending machine, just move along, man.
Man,
True.
she's like that
You're
guy
not
from
winning.
Spider-Man movie.
You're not winning that. I mean, if
One
you
trying
see
to steal an
if you
ATM
see
machine.
anyone lifting a vending machine, you're not winning that fight.
Unless
It
you're
doesn't matter
Spider-Man,
if
I
it's a
guess.
girl or not.
True.
Her wallet is the only thing that's hurt.
You're okay.
Wow. Is that like some kind of dark
Well, they say the
lore?
other party members are dead, right?
Yeah, so I guess they came back as like undead.
That's weird.
Oh,
We'll get explanation later. I
kind of
guess.
grim. Okay, interesting.
But
So it's not just some happy fantasy world, I guess.
Hmm.
another weird thing.
Hey?
Partially? What do you mean partially? It's all your fault. She hasn't paid for anything else aside from stuff from you. And what do you mean drum up business? Huh? Do
You're
you
not paying
even?
rent.
Yeah, I mean, can you even get the money from inside the machine?
Yeah, I don't think so because it's turned into points automatically.
Yeah. So how does that work? You're not getting anything from this dude.
I guess patronage. That's all. That's it.
I guess like people come by because they're addicted to soup like these two.
Ah, so sweet, sweet, sweet. Sell coffee.
You know what?
What,
This
coffee?
this actually would make like for a good game,
Ah.
right? Like a
What are you selling?
good management game.
Are you selling coffee now?
Oh,
Some-
true, yeah.
Yeah, something like
no, it's Oden.
no. Have you played Recettear?
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Where you
Rest
manage a store? Yes, this is something like that, right? But you're a vending
Yeah, I
machine
think
instead.
it could work like that. I think.
Man, these
Yeah.
people are super curious. They buy it without knowing what it is.
Yeah.
I mean, I would be curious.
I mean, I guess, but
I guess it's
For-
from previous experience.
but for people in the medieval age, they are usually very very cautious and very very like superstitious.
Well, this one is very useful.
But are
so-
you also selling cold sake now?
Ooh.
Wait, is he being relocated all the time?
I guess, yeah.
Wow.
Ah, okay, that's good.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Doesn't like
Mhm.
don't mess the local businesses.
Yeah.
Hey, it's the girl that get marked. Almost get marked.
I mean, what? What?
Sorry, the price
You
are
don't-
final.
You don't have to throw stuff at it. Do you have to spend points to repair? Oh wow, she just relocate
Yes,
you.
Kekai, right?
Huh? What does she even get out of this? Can she even get any money from that? No, right?
Yeah, I mean you're not paying her. Or maybe these people are paying her for moving him around.
Yeah, like what does she get?
Mm,
Is that part of the upgrade? Wait, what was the name in Japanese?
Name of who? Boksu.
Yeah, that they don't. She didn't call him Boxo in Japanese.
Yeah, but I think I heard something similar just now.
Wait, let me check.
ah.
Hakon.
Hakon?
Yeah,
I
Hakon.
guess that means box. I guess
Yeah.
the king from Fien appear is the.
Oh, we
from
don't
before
get an ending song. Okay.
No.
next episode.
So Lamis there, the main girl, is voiced by Kaede Hondo. Have we heard her voice
Oh,
in other
I
work?
think I recognize the name, but I forgot.
Kaede Hondo. What is she most well known for? Eiko, the main girl in Paripikome. That's her.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh wow.
Okay.
That's pretty
Yeah,
different voice. Nice.
Yeah,
Good for
yeah.
her.
And Sakura from Zombieland Saga, the main
Ah,
character.
there you go. Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. That's where I heard her voice.
Okay, okay,
That one
interesting.
is pretty similar with this one.
Well, what about the vending machine? Jun Fukuyama.
Oh, okay. That's yeah. That's pretty famous one.
Oh, I'm not really know a lot about like male voice actors, so.
His Lelouch from Code Geass.
Oh, okay.
That's
Wow.
that's the most famous one, I think.
Okay, okay. Interesting.
Wait, so before that he was not famous then?
Oh,
Interesting.
he's quite.
Interesting they use some.
Yeah, it's
some...
one of the most famous roles.
Yeah,
but
he voices
did
a lot
like
of
tons
characters.
of them. You
Oh,
go to my
yes.
anime list and he's have like, I don't know. This is very
Yeah,
long. The
he
list is
voices
very long.
he voices the main character of Persona 5.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, Persona 5, and then
Okay, it's
yeah.
patron.
Yeah.
a lot of them. It's just very long. He's like
Mhm.
one of the most famous ones. So yeah.
Mhm. Okay. If you see like my anime list, there's a lot more characters that haven't appeared yet. So well, we'll see later
Spoiler.
when they appear. Okay, the first episode seems promising enough. It's interesting enough, I think.
It's not that funny, but it's pretty promising.
Yeah, it's not
it,
as
it
funny,
leans
but
more
it's still
towards
kind
like
of
slice of lifey.
yeah.
In a way, right?
Yeah, kind of.
Rather than outright funny and crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, it's interesting.
Yeah, it's interesting. I guess we'll see. All right. That was, what is the short name again? I don't even remember. Jihanki. There you go.
Jihanki.
Vending machine. Yeah, that's Vending Machine episode 1. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Bye.